And now we're back here in third set. UST up against San Sebastian. UST, of course, up by 2. But San Sebastian so far needs to reorganize themselves.
Ito nga ngayon, sa third set natin, alam mo, ang hirap pumunta CR pala dito sa San Juan Arena.
Bakit?
Papunta, nakaharang ang buong Ateneo team, nag-warm up. Pabalik, nandun pa rin sila. Oh, wow! Malyari cannot get it done. Minsan ka nga lang mag-quick play, hindi pa nagmamaterialize. UST now getting the first point here in set number 3. They're up 2 sets to nothing. Here's Di Makulangan. And
that's outside.
So 1-1 here in set number 3. What does San Sebastian need to do to get things done dito sa ating third set? And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And Ivy Remulla, rather.
Well, actually, Noel, there's a lot based on sets 1 and 2, you know. But first and foremost, syempre, yung kanilang errors. And very important yung kanilang reception.
Yes.
Yun talaga, I think, once na nakuha nila yung reception nila, both yung service at saka yung defense, I think that they're able to, you know, pick up already dun sa kanilang atake.
Well, let's see Micah Ortiz able to score that time. Here's the attack by Boli. Again, alanganin.
Well, so far, timing ang nagiging problema dito sa mga attackers ng San Sebastian at the early start of the third set.
Ano ba pakiramdam na masama ang gising sa sports? Alam, di ba papunta ka pala sa gym, alam mo, medyo, di ba?
There are days sometimes when you wake up and then, you know, you don't feel already na you're really up to, either up to training or, I mean, it's the same like when you go to work, di ba? May mga times na pag gising mo sa umaga, wala ka sa...
Usually, may mga ganun, yung puyat or may nakaing masama the day before.
But you know, but I guess it's more frustrating lalo kasi if you're like going to a game at masama ang gising mo. Unlike training, okay lang. Training is just practice, diba? But pagdating sa laro, hindi mo na pwedeng ulitin yun. Yun na yun eh.
And this is the semi-finals, no less. And it's a very short series. Best of 3 lang ito. So you need to get that win, especially against UST, a team that you have not defeated yet. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. In fact, if you're just joining us, the first time these two teams met in the quarterfinals, UST had a very easy time. Oh, Taiwan!
Kicked it too far. Was a good save, pero medyo malayo. Kala yata yung football.
Hindi, kung sa football yun, okay lang, ilalabas mo doon. Hindi na ready yung goalie. But that's a legal play in volleyball.
Yeah, it is.
So 4-3 UST. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here is Di Makulangan. On the delay for Balse, the defense did not know what was happening.
Okay, Balse with that very strong, excellent angle attack as well. Let's take a look at that again.
Ganda ng setting ni Rhea talaga.
At ang ganda rin ang angulo ng palo nitong si Ging Balse. Single block, like we said, hindi po pwede yan sa attackers ng UST. Kailangan at least laging dalawa.
Here's Boli. Naabangan that time ni Caballejo. They go to Benito.
Off the block.
Here's Di Makulangan across for Caballejo, and Di Makulangan is just orchestrating this perfectly. And I think the word orchestrating really applies to Rhea Di Makulangan today.
You know, the execution ng mga plays, you would really know because nakakapag-commit lahat ng blockers. Doon mo malalaman talaga na effective yung execution mo ng plays.
UST shooting themselves in the foot also with a few service errors here and there. They are still up by 2 now. Daphne Rubinos to put it in play. Ito pag na-develop ito ni Clint Malaso, itong si Daphne Rubinos. Sayang, you got a 6-footer right there. And Rubinos can't get it. So 7-4 UST.
And I think what's one positive thing about the Lady Tigers is that if they commit an error, they make sure that they make up for the error right away.
So Taiwan. Here's De Leon for Benito. Net violation against Micah Ortiz, it appears.
And yes, it's a free point for San Sebastian. But you know, you can't rely on the errors of your opponent for your points.
Sabi ni Ortiz, ang haba kasi ng galamay ko malay ko ba?
Kasalanan ko ba yun?
7-5. Here's Di Makulangan. Combination again. Caballejo.
Caballejo once again.
8-5 UST. It's been all the Tigresses so far. We'll be right back.